Welcome to the Monster Makeover. Step right up. If you want a new look, we are the experts. Me next. I need a special look for my Galactic Explorer Club meeting tonight. I want to look brave. I want to look shiny. I want to look like I live among the stars.
Okay, Grover. Sit back and relax. Makeover experts at work. Zippity zap galaxy snap. Give Grover a look that's a stellar map.
I think I am a grape explorer. It is very round, but not very spacey. Oops, I think the magic thought you said grapes instead of galaxies.
Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Make him as shiny as can be.
Wait, these are sea stars. I wanted sky stars. They are cute, but they belong in the ocean. Wait a minute. Maybe we don't need magic. Maybe we can make it ourselves. Look, a shiny space helmet. It's perfect for protecting your furry head in the galaxy.
And here is a starry cape. Look at it shimmer when the wind blows.
Hooray! I look incredible. I am Grover, the Galactic Guardian. Thank you, experts. Look at me go. One small step for a monster, one giant leap for Grover kind. Another happy customer. See you next time at the Monster Makeover. Bye-bye.